Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTuber, how are you? I think you are good. My name is MD Sohanur Rahman Suhel. Welcome to Python tutorial 14. If else and elif statement. Today we learned in Python. We will know if else and elif statement and how to use it. Let's start. Know about if else and elif statement. First know about the if statement. Let's start. Write your variable name, write your value, write if statement and write colon. Write print statement. Jahangir is a good boy. Write your print statement. Enjoy your day. Due to false writing. Here are the statements inside the string. If will not show up after running the program. Result 0. Let's run the program. See, the program does not show any sentence. Result 0. Due to the fact of writing the true. Here are the sentences inside the string. It will show up after running the program. Let's run the program. See the program showing the sentence. MD Jahangir is a good boy. Enjoy your day. Yes, Python allows us to nest if statement within the if statements. We can place an if statement inside another if statement. Here a user can decide among multiple options. The if statements are executed from the top down. It's a boolean value. Now if we have the print statement of line 5 before the first is that the empty space are there, it do not give it, then the program will work in another way. If we write false, still the 5 of the line will show the program. Run the program. Enjoy your day. See, we wrote a false, yet the program is showing this sentence. This statement is like this, now working as a common sentence in the program. Now if we add another print statement here, Jahangir loves to chat with her friends much more. Write the true. Let's see how the program looks like. Run the program. See, now all the sentences are run in the program. Then we have realized this fact that how the if statement works. MD Jahangir is a good boy. Jahangir loves to chat with her friends much more. Enjoy your day. Now we will know about the else statement. Write your else statement, print statement. There are a sentence inside the if statement. It executes the program and show it. Let's run the program. See the sentence in the if statement, so showing. Else statement does not show up. MD Jahangir is a good boy. Jahangir loves to chat with her friends much more. Enjoy your day. Now we are writing here false. Here due to writing false. If statement is a sentence will not execute the program. So only else statement sentence. Let's run the program. Look here, if statement each sentence did not execute the program. See only the else statement sentence we are executed in the program. I mean Joel is a good boy. Joel loves the natural environment. Enjoy your day. An else statement can be combined with an if statement. An else statement contains the block of code that execute if the conditional expressions in the if statement resolved to 0 or a false value. The else statement is an optional statement and there could be at most only one else statement following if. Now we will learn how to use elif statement. Here we write another variable name, write your value and write your elif statement. Variable name, colon, Ctrl X, Ctrl V and write here a print statement. Here's the value of the first variable. Due to false, if statement sentence do not show the program. The program will execute elif statement sentence. Let's run the program. See what I said. That's how the program was executed. The first from if test all conditions, whereas the second if L test only as many as needed. If it find on condition that is false, it doesn't stop and evaluate the risk. In other words, elif is used when the conditions are mutually exclusive. Now write here two variable value false. Then the program will show up. Else statement will show that sentence is in it and run the program. It's a lovely day. Enjoy your day. See the program just showing the else statement sentence and if statement state and condition with one or more if statement that will be used when a condition is met. There can be 0 or more elif part and the else part is optional. The keyword elif is short for else if and is useful to avoid excessive indentation. If the condition for if is false, it check the conditions of the next elif block and so on. If all the conditions are false, body of else is executed. Only one block among the several if elif else block is executed according to the condition. Thank you very much because you watched the entire video. Watch and practice all the videos in this way. One day you will be a professional programmer. To view the next video, click the subscribe and bell icon. I wish you good luck in your life. Bye.